Hello everybody, my name is Naida and welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking rice pudding in the microwave. I will be using a microwave safe bowl over here and 2 cups of leftover rice. I will be using 3 cups of almond milk. You can use any kind of milk that you like. And then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable spread. And also we're gonna need 1/2 cup of white sugar. We're gonna stir it up. Smell good already. I'm going to microwave this for 24 minutes and cover, and I will check it up 3 times to stir it up. Checking it after 6 minutes. So this is after 12 minutes. 24 minutes is up. So after 24 minutes, this is how it looks like. You can eat it warm, or you can keep it in the refrigerator overnight or a few hours. Right now you can eat this just the way it is, like this one. It's warm. You can also add milk. So you wait until it cools down, and you can put a plastic wrap and cover it up and put it in the refrigerator a few hours or overnight. This is the one that I keep in the refrigerator for a few hours. And this is the one that is warm. Either way, I both like them. It's delicious. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.